Hello. So basically, my makeup came in. My makeup came in today. Yay! So, if you don't know, I have my own makeup line. It's called Madam Vain. I've been running it for about 6 years now. When Ulta Beauty and random stores like Sephora wasn't open, when I was running that beauty supply heavy, people came to me for makeup. So I said, hey, let me start my own makeup brand. And I just read up on some things for myself and for my customers. Ooh, okay. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's open this up. Oh, they got it all taped down. Nice. Wish I had a razor. So these look like, oh, I forget what I even bought. Eye pencils. So you see my packaging, my box. Hey. And let's open it up and see the goodies. This is how it will come to you. Okay. Ooh, nice. Black pencil too. Ooh, nice. Nice for that lip. So let's get a better view of the pencil. Hey, look at that. Look at that. It's all nice. Ooh. So when you order online or you order through Salon in a Box, this is what you be getting for the pencil part. And let's look at what else I have. Ooh, goodies. Lip gloss. Get my boxing. Come on. Better than Chanel, okay? Let's see what this looks like. What colors did I get? Now, I'm not showing everything, but ooh, lip gloss. Look at that. Check it out. Look at that. Check it out. Ooh, look at that nice. Ooh, nice and glittery. Ooh, I'm not playing. We're not playing. Let's put that back in the box. In stock, people. In stock. Let's see what else. What's this? What kind is this? Ooh, my favorite, my signature, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Look at that. The name is up there. Stop playing with me. It's Madam Vain, bitches. Shit. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Cursing and all. I'm excited. Y'all better come cop. Huh? Brow kits. Check that out. Ain't the boxing nice, the trio brow kit? All right, let's see what's going on. This is like my favorite. Actually, my eyebrows are done right now with the eyebrow kit. My favorite. So, you know, I got to make sure I have that for y'all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like it cracked a little bit. All right, let's get to the next thing. Ooh, lipsticks. See the box and it says Madam Vain. Okay. See how this looks. Ooh, nice. Lip stain. It's matte. It's pretty too. Okay. I think there's other colors too. But we'll get into that. So then I got my, look at the boxing. It's the boxing for me. Ooh, and they didn't change up the, ooh, this is nice. Look at that. Ooh, ow! Stop playing with me. Okay, that's how we open this up. Ooh, translucent powder. Oh, this is my favorite. It really locks in that makeup. It really locks it in. And it's a press kind. And then I got this one. I usually use the lighter one, but I wanted to try something a little darker. Let's see what this is hitting for. Okay, something, I thought it'd be more yellowish, but it's cool. I like it. The boxing, I mean, you can't, they changed that translucent up. I like that. All right, let's get to the next product. Makeup setting spray, my hitter, my hitter, my hitter, my hitter, my hitter. Yeah. Look at that boxing. It's pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, they can change the game up. Yes. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Well, next, foundations. This is how your foundations will come in, like that. I like to mix mine, 2 and 3 of them. So, you know. Ooh, look at that. Yes, and this comes in, I've got 3 different kinds. It's great for the black girls, the color pigmented girls. I got some for the Caucasian girls. I got everything. It's on and popping. Let's go. And I just want to do my unboxing. Oh, and this. My mascara for the eyelashes. Yeah, baby, stop playing with me. That Madam Vein. Ooh, look at that mascara. It is. She alright. Waterproof lengthening mascara. Let's go. So that's my unboxing. You can go on salonthebox.com, Madam Vein Cosmetics, and you can put your order in. They're all up there, but I'll be having it to where you don't have to pre-order no more. You can buy what I have. Thank you.